Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide the bottom bar in Zoom. This is a great way to create a cleaner, more immersive meeting experience, especially when you're presenting or recording sessions and want to minimize distractions on your screen. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Zoom account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile avatar icon. This is typically a small circular image that represents your account. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up the comprehensive settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left sidebar containing different categories. Look for the option labeled Meetings and Webinars and click on it. This section houses all the configuration options related to how your meetings function, from audio and video settings to more advanced controls. After clicking on Meetings and Webinars, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you locate the setting that says Keep Meeting Controls Visible. This particular setting determines whether the bottom control bar stays permanently visible during your meetings or if it can be hidden. When this option is toggled on, the bottom bar with all your meeting controls stays visible at all times. By toggling it off, you're allowing the bar to hide automatically, giving you that clean, uncluttered screen you're looking for. Go ahead and toggle this setting off. You'll see the switch move to the off position, indicating that the change has been made. The beauty of Zoom's settings interface is that it automatically saves your preferences as you make changes, so there's no need to hunt for a separate save button. Finally, you can click on Settings again or simply close the Settings window. Your changes are already saved and will take effect immediately in your next meeting. The bottom control bar will now automatically hide itself during meetings, reappearing only when you move your mouse, giving you a much cleaner viewing experience. And that's it. You've successfully configured Zoom to hide the bottom bar during meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.